Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $150 a week using Instagram. It's pretty simple and straightforward. First of all, you need to create an Instagram account with official username. Talking about the official username, a standard official username, like you can use putting ending the username with official, just make the username very catchy and very obscene and attractive, not just any kind of username when creating the Instagram account. So you have to use an official username when creating the Instagram account. Two is you need to set up the account properly, putting your bio, your link, and your description and all that is necessary, phone numbers and all that is necessary to verify the account. You just have to set up the account properly. And three is you need to promote the account to get specific followers. Now you need to promote the account definitely. And promoting the account, if you watch my recent video, I'll be placing the link in the description. In the video, I showed how you can get a lot of followers every single day. So you have to promote the accounts. You get a lot of followers, like 10K followers, like 9K followers, a lot of followers. So, and the fourth one is finally you need to sell the account. You have to build accounts and definitely sell the account. You can make $150 a week selling Instagram accounts. How do you achieve this? First of all, when you're done with all this setting up the account and promoting the account, you've gotten like 9,000 followers or 10,000 followers and it's all set. So you just have to head on to what we call fameswap.com. So as you can see, this is fameswap.com. On this platform, you can buy Instagram accounts and sell Instagram accounts. So as you can see, someone added an account which has 186.6k for likes, that is Facebook like, and he's ready to sell it for the rate of $5,800. So as you can see, this platform you can buy and sell accounts, Facebook account, YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram account. You can buy and sell here. So since you are selling, you just have to come to register. You come down to register and you fill out the form, like the username, the email, the password, your phone number, your address, and all stuffs. So when you fill out the form and you click on the register button, you'll be sent a email to confirm your informations. So after you click on the confirmation, so it will redirect you back to the home page and dashboard of this platform. So let me just log into my account. Okay, I just have to log into my account and I'll show you how this works. So okay, I'm in. So this is how the dashboard looks like. As you can see, people have been listing accounts which they want to sell. So as you can see, with 8K audience stuff, so you can buy and sell. So for I'm teaching this video just because you want to sell account, you develop Instagram account, get a lot of followers, then you come down here to sell. The minimum is 5K followers, so you can get above 5K followers and you come down to this platform to sell your account. So after you successfully logged in, you just have to click on the sell. So clicking on the sell, you will see this green button which say add new listing free. So you just have to click on it, add new listing. So you just have to add new Instagram listing, since we are selling an Instagram account which we have developed. So you'll be prompted to enter the Instagram username. So I'll just be using a popular Instagram username as a sample. So let me just log into my Instagram and get some username. So okay, luckily for this user, she's the first on my dashboard. So I'm just gonna copy the username and head back to FameSwap, and I'll input the username right here and click I'm not a robot. So it's gonna mark, and you just click on find. You have to find the account. As you can see, you saw official. You can see official right here. So you just make the name of the Instagram account you are going to be selling, make it look very professional. So we're just gonna click on the find, and it's just gonna scroll through. As you can see, we've gotten the profile. As you can see it. So she's got 39.2k followers. So as you can see here, 39.2k followers right here. So now, to confirm if you are the owner of this account, you'll be prompted to input this code on your bio in your Instagram account to confirm you are the owner of the Instagram account. So since I'm not the owner of this, I'm using this as a sample. So I'm just gonna stop here. So for you, after you've grown your Instagram account, which you want to sell, you're just gonna copy this and paste it right into your bio, and you come back right here and click verify. So after you verify, your Instagram account will be listed on the home page where people is gonna buy Instagram accounts. So as you can see, Instagram account added 8 hours ago. As you can see, Instagram account with 5k followers 8 hours ago for $700. So as you can see, 16k for $150. As you can see, so YouTube 6.6k for $995. So as you can see, you can make a lot of money selling Instagram account. And okay, if you want to know how to get followers, a lot of followers in a month, if you are ready for this, in a month at least you can get like roughly 8k followers in a month. So I'm gonna drop the link of the video how to get a lot of followers. I'm gonna drop it in the description below, so you guys just go watch the video, then you start developing your Instagram accounts which you want to sell. So I'm sure you guys find this video helpful and useful. So you can just give this video a turn up if you find it helpful, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, because I'm gonna be dropping more videos that will be teaching you guys how to make money online. See you guys in my next video.